people have reached out to me saying a very big thank you for creating a paper account, a verified paper account, and they started using their paper account, right? But at the same time, some people are still reaching out to me telling me that please, I can't link my card. I don't know how to link my card. My card is being declined. Like you are getting this message anytime you try to link your card, and that's why I'm doing this video for you because I noticed that one challenge a lot of people have, especially when watching tutorial video, is they don't really pay attention to details in the tutorial video. In the video I drop on how to create a verified paper account, I explain in details everything that needs to be noted. But at the same time, I notice that some people are making a lot of mistakes, right? So people don't pay attention to details, and that's why I'm trying to talk more about this. What could lead to this, right? So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly link your card to your PayPal account, right? Without wasting much of your time, or my name is Olabisi Ashishana and I'm an online entrepreneur and a content creator. On this channel, I share tips, strategies, and opportunities you can leverage on to make money online. And if content like this interests you, do well to support this channel by subscribing, by sharing, and by liking this video, right? I can't go further in this video without saying a very big thank you to all my new subscribers. For all hitting 100 subscribers, I want to say thank you very much. I do not take this for granted, right? I do not take it for granted. If you're just coming to my channel for the first time, I want to say you're welcome. And if you're not a subscriber, I want to say thank you very much, right? So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the business of today. A lot of reasons why your card gets rejected, and I'll be dissecting them one after the other. The first reason why your card can get rejected is that if you've not been using your card for international payments, right? If you've not been using your card for international payments, PayPal can what reject that card, and that's why I recommended UBA Africa dollar card, UBA Africa dollar card specifically in the previous video I did on how to open your PayPal account, and some people have gotten that card and they've been able to successfully link their PayPal, and that PayPal is running fine, right? So if you've not been using your card for international payments, PayPal can decline it, right? And another reason why PayPal can decline your card, if you've already linked that card to another account before, like some of us, we open a lot of different accounts, right? And you don't even know, okay, maybe you've linked that card to one account, but the account cannot even remember, and it keeps telling you, okay, your card is declined, your card is declined. Do you understand? This could be another reason why, PayPal is declining your card. And so another reason that is also important is that you must make sure you have money inside your UBA Africa. You must make sure you have money inside that card. You know, when you go to the bank and you fill the form and they issue you the card, you are asked to pay maybe $5 into the account to activate the account. But you want to make sure that you pay like $20 into the account, because it's not enough to activate the account in the bank. You still want to, by the time you are linking it, PayPal will also be debiting you like $2, right? PayPal will be debiting you like $2. Although they will return back your money, but they are using that money to verify. So you want to make sure you have enough money inside that account. It's not just like the $5. Okay, pay $5, let's activate the account in the bank. Is that not to make sure like you have like $20 inside the account so that your payments can go through. This is another issue I noticed that a lot of people are having. And by the time I ask them, do you have money inside this account? They said no. After pay, you have to make sure you have money inside this account. This is very, very important, right? This is very, very important. Another thing I noticed is that your billing address, right? The address you fill on your paper account is different from the one on your bank account. So with these differences, they will definitely not what link your card. Let me explain what I mean to you in a bit. Let's go back. I'm opening this account. Now I'm opening this account and I want to I'm already going on. I'm just this is a demo account so that you can understand better what I'm talking about. This is your nationality. Come here. I want to feel this. This is where the challenge is. Just come here and type Nigeria. Nigeria is here, right? So just put in Nigeria. You're okay, right? So here you have your 234. Want to on that, and you want to input your number, right? put in your number here, put in your number, your normal number, put in your normal number here. Like I said, this is a demo, so I'll just be doing something. So yeah, this is your PO box. You want to put in your real address, your home address. Don't go and look for PO box of Lagos, PO box of this place. Your home address, put it there. Right. So let's say 45 Shiwama Road, right? Shiwama Street. Let's just do something. Shiwama Street. Let's do something there. Leave it there like that. Then yeah, you want to come here and put, let's say Ogun State here. Ogun State. Then yeah, you want to come here and put in Abu Dhabi, right? You want to come. Okay, actually, in this scenario, people actually advise us to use the same address, eh? From where we live. Let's say I'm living in South Africa. I'm using the same. I should use that same address, and then my card should also be issued from that same country. That's the best advice from PayPal. You can use a South Africa card, a card issued in South Africa on US PayPal account. It will not fly. But however, some countries are flexible. With some countries, it can fly. Do you understand? That's why I say choose Abu Dhabi or Dubai. Do you understand? With Dubai, you see this Dubai here. With Dubai, these are flexible countries, right? These are flexible countries. It will fly. You can use a Nigeria card account on a Dubai PayPal. Hope you're getting the drift, right? So this is fine. Ogun State, Abu Dhabi, just leave it like that, right? Just go on, click next. So when we clicked on next, right, it brought us to this interface. And this is another interface here. I don't want this video to be too long, so this is another interface here. And what do you want to do here? You don't want to fill any other, fill all these necessary things, your name, your Nigerian number, and all. Just use the same thing. And yeah, this can be, just come and use your residential address. You can see what pop up here. Shiwama Street, Ogun State, Abu Dhabi, right? That's it. Then click on next. And this address is the same address as the one on your card or on your bank account. Do you understand? So just leave it here. This will fly. So by the time you are linking it, you're not going to have an issue. You're going to go through. Once you put all these criteria in places, ensure that there is money inside, right? I said that earlier. And ensure that there's money inside. Make sure you get UBA Africa dollar card. You know, there's a Nigerian card. So make sure you get a dollar card because they're going to be debiting in dollars. So if you go to the bank and say, how to get UBA Africa, they might give you the Nigerian one where the debit in Naira. Make sure it's dollar. I kept saying this. And also, this address part is the most important part. That's the bidding address, right? That's the bidding address. So, the way you can make, fast track the whole idea of what linking your card is by paying into the account little amounts that you can let go, maybe like $2 or $3. Do you understand? So actually reach out to me, and the person tried out that metrics, paid it, and the person was able to link the account. Because you know what, once you pay money to their account, right, you won't have access to that account until by like 60 days, right? They want to watch your account mature and grow with them before you can have access to that money inside the account, right? So once you pay into the account, it shows that okay, there's some activities going on already, and when you try to link your card, you might be successful in linking your card. Yeah. So that's that about that. So if you got value from this video, do what to do is thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and also share this video to friends and families that might be in need of this kind of video. Thank you very much, and God bless you.